Cool, huh?
Yes!
Neato. They sent the shoes and everything, huh?
Yeah.
And a little purse.
See, Daddy?
Wow.
I finally got last flip of my new one.
I think those are for you and Adelaide to share, okay? I think she wants to see them. Can you show them to her? Like, let her hold them?
Yes, I finally got some here to share. There's the Pink Delicious Paws. Cool. That's the Pink Delicious Paws. Cool, we finally got it. We won it.
Exciting, huh?
Yeah. You probably won't.
I know. I was wrong.
Does this go to the tree?
I don't know. What is it?
It's pink.
It might be.
I know it goes to the sticker thing and look for a fits. Right there.
Cool. Okay.